quay chắc là câu bạn. Đó, đây là câu bạn. Câu mũi bật. Đây lắm coi này. Finally, I make to see Dawn here.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Everything preparation all good?
Yes, all good. Very excited to be
Every
part.
time see you in the TV and talk and introduce the jet ski.
Aww.
Now finally we see Dawn here.
Mwah,
Right.
mwah. Very excited to be
Excited,
here.
yeah. So many jet skis.
Very famous people here.
Indonesia. Indonesia right there.
Yeah.
See you.
Welcome to hell. How many cards do you want? On the ball stop? Stand up. On the ball? No ski, huh? I have the key for you.
ไม่เอา ไม่เอา
นี่ไงเนี่ยสกี
โอเมนสกีอ่ะ โอเมนสกี โอเมนสกี
The 2023 SeaGames. This is a very excellent opportunity for our sport. In 2008, when they brought the Asian Beach Games out, jet skis were invited to participate as one of the featured sports, largely from the hard work of Fully Aswar. And since that time, jet skis have been invited back to every single games of which the home country had a team. And that's quite an accomplishment, and that's something that we want to keep going. So would like all of you to be mindful of good etiquette, represent the sport positively, and do everything we can to make people excited.
Hello, Island Rider. Sasina here. Sasina, how are you?
Billy Joseph? Number 5. And he got 10. Okay. And we had T.
Number 5.
Okay.
What number 19?
19?
Yes.
Alright. And he got number 7. Okay? Okay. What's your time? What's your time?
Oh, my time.
Okay. What's your boat number, sweetie? 99? Okay. Number 6.
First thing is you put boats in the
Okay, thank you. And we have Sally with an F. Sally.
Last time.
Okay, so thank you everybody.
Bà mình sai cả sai. Ắt thoát được đi không?
Hello, hello.
All right, you're good. Good luck.
Yeah.
This is.
Robert.
Yes. Oh yeah, so you put that. Yes, you can do that. Yeah. To reinforce it because they pop. Yeah. Yep, that's good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, good luck, guys.
Thank you. How about the
Oh yeah, let's see your helmet.
How number?
helmet?
Huh?
Helmet.
Back protection, all that safety stuff. You know, just to mention again on this, it's supposed to be like two fingers down from here, and it's supposed to cover this too. That's only for what, down here? Yeah. Yeah, there's no protection on top, so it's got to be from like this area. So they do have better ones. I don't like that because it won't protect the back. It's only protect your spine. Look. I'm sure you can find some for sale. I know people have them. Yeah. I look at other stickers too. At King's Cup, I get helmets with stickers, and then I look at the helmet further. They're not real. They're counterfeit.
Oh,
Different. Yeah.
fake one.
I take 5 to 8 helmets every time in King's Cup. One guy, I go like this. Ooh, carbon fiber. I go, you make this? He goes, yes. You can't use it. I make it. So
the back protector, can give
I need that. We need the one that covers the spine.
Yeah. In the morning?
Yeah, that's fine. Oh yeah, we're good. Because I do another when you guys get on the line, I check you again. So I make sure again. All right, cool. Nice carbon fiber. Nice to see it. All right. Very good. All right. Yep.
Thanks.
Yeah, see, that's good. It's the longer one to protect the spine column. All right, good luck, guys.
Thank you, Robert.
Thank you very much.
Robert, one more, Robert.
Yes, two more. Yep. You started. Good.
And my helmet?
Oh, yes. Helmet trắng gì hả?
Good, very good one too. All right, so working with Malaysia. We've done everything. All right, good luck. Yeah,
Okay.
one more. Go back this way, right?
Mana oh?
Sini makan enggak?
Apa nih? Abang Mansu? Abang Mansu makan apa?
Kari, udang.
Cái nó gỗ tự cung rồi.
食飯啦，我都聽咩？呢個唔愛咗。
我食嗰啲蛋。
雞可以啦，雞菜。
Cây trò tự cung á, thì chỉ
Hay là nói gì cái gì nó tộc theo kẹo, tộc cạn theo kẹo.